We're headed to Comic-Con.
Yeah, we are.
Got Mario and Luigi.
No,
You excited?
no, it's Jackson and me.
Where do you want to go? He didn't escape, Jackson.
What? Oh! Getting a mixed call on this. I saw Blue hit first. Oh, you're gonna call that? Blue resets the point, red point. Alright, ready? Fight! Oh! Getting red. Red point. Time! Winner! Red! Woo! Out there, neck to neck. One win blue, one win red.
Jackson and Ghostbusters. Did you get a bracelet?
Yeah.
Is that Slimer? Over there? Ghostbusters?
I can't help it.
We got Godzilla cards. Godzilla figures. Godzilla haven here.
Right on, man. Cool. Very cool. All metal except for the metal projector since they're present. But your better copies, the original with plastic.
The truck from the Twister movie.
R2D2 play any of
Did you have fun at Comic-Con?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
It's when we got stuff.
When you got stuff? Looks like Luigi's conked out, huh? He's asleep. Alright, say bye, Comic-Con.
Bye, Comic-Con. Okay.
Alright, let's see what we got.
We got
We got some turtles,
and wrestling figures. We got some
the
wrestling.
frog.
And
Brother wants the frog back.
I think we got a wrestling figure.
We got some original turtles. I don't remember all these guys' names, so I'm not going to try. Got Brutus the Barber.
Yeah, Bruce
thing.
the Barber.
El Torito.
Dorito.
Scotty Too Hottie.
Scotty Too Hottie.
What did you get?
I got Captain America Potato Head.
Show me.
It's got a mask to it.
Show it to me.
Okay, look at it. It's got.
Okay. What did we get, Mama?
We got Mama.
Harry Potter. Wood cutout.
Wood cutout. And we got something else in here.
What did you get? because you're spoiled.
Huh? This for Mom.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
That's for Mom, it's not for you? That's for you.
Oh, this? Yeah.
And then you won a ghosted bag.
A ghosted bag, yeah.
Mommy and Daddy watched that show.
And we got Mom a Pac-Man sticker for a car. Yeah.
So we had a location change because little Luigi woke up cranky, a lot of bit cranky, right, Jackson?
Yeah.
So what else did we get? We got
a Street Fighter.
Lego minis.
Pants
You just took him off.
Pants fell off.
So is that M. Bison from Street Fighter? Let me see his face. And then we got Brother. What did we get, Brother? Donatello. Ninja Turtle.
And we got...
Daddy got a Rey Mysterio minifigure. And then in another booth, I got this Godzilla and King Ghidorah little dollar magnet.
Oh, Godzilla. And
I got this Beef Squatch pop figure to go in my Bigfoot Sasquatch collection. It's from that Bob's Burgers show.
Yeah, Bob's Burgers.
Let's see, what do we get, Wyatt?
Yeah, keep that out of the back. Okay. Take that out.
I don't know if I can get it out.
I think I can get it out. There.
Okay. Look, Wyatt.
Mario!
We got Wyatt a Mario canvas.
Mario!
And it's got Mario in the different, like, raccoon. Or do they say Tanuki, Jackson?
No, oh no.
Is he Tanuki, the raccoon?
No.
Oh. Anyways. Regular Mario. Fireball Mario.
Mario.
What's that? I guess that's Star Power Mario.
No. That's Invincible
Mini
Mario. Here.
Cape Mario.
Cape Mario. No, yeah. That's Mario.
Hammer Mario.
Yeah, he throws hammers.
Another raccoon Mario.
No, he's not. He's a bear.
Oh, Bear Mario. And then Frog Mario.
Yeah, Frog. No. Oh no. This is Tanuki.
That's Tanuki?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the last things I got were these little sculptures. I can't remember the guy's first name. Something Neil. Makes these, like, I guess horror sculptures or something. He also had like different superheroes or universal monsters done in these like kind of gruesome looking figures.
Oh no.
Luigi's mad again. And we're gonna cut it off.
No, now he's not mad.
Oh. Well, what else do you got to say?
Sorry.
I'm talking about on the video.
Oh. We got...
Is that it? You just want to say bye?
No. Now here's the last thing.
I thought we showed the last thing.
No, the last thing was that potato head.
We already showed that.
Oh, yeah. Okay, bye.
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walkthroughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.